Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'm gonna try the new haul, which is the nail polish haul. So I have cute little nail paints from all brands that I love, and today I'm here to share with you guys my top 10 picks for nail paints, and these all colors are really good. I hope you like my choice. If you liked it, then please hit that subscribe button and like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon as well. So let's get started. First of all, I have this nail paint. This is from a color bar. It's called Artifacts Nail Lacquer nail paints. I'm going to show the swatches as well. So first, let's talk about the nail paints. The shade is rose, and it says our nail lacquer is non-yellowing, it doesn't transfer into nail beds, and it's paraben free, cruelty free, and it's environment friendly as well. So I guess that's it. It's retail rupees 200, and I've bought it from Nika. The next nail polish I'm going to share with you is the Bella Lacquer, long lasting and with natural seaweed extract. It's rupees 295 rupees की है ये. Yes, and the color name, but it's a lavender type of a color. मैं आपको swatches तो दिखाऊंगी, तो तब आप देख लीजिएगा. बट ये नेल पेंट मैंने खरीदी है Amazon से. I guess it is also available on Nika. Then second nail paint, it definitely it's from Nika. Yes, एक बात बताना मैं भूल गई, बहुत अच्छी नेल पेंट है बिकॉज ये बहुत जल्दी सूख जाती है और बहुत टाइम नहीं लगाती, विच इज़ अ वेरी गुड क्वालिटी. और जो ये है ये बहुत देर लगाती है सूखने में. इसमें थोड़े से ग्लिटरी पार्टिकल्स है विच इज़ वेरी गुड, बट इट्स नॉट दैट हाईली रिकमेंड वंस. But I like the color, that's why it's in my list. And that this is the Nika nail paint. It's color and care nail animal, and it's from their range Breathable, and they didn't mention the rate on it. Yes, so this is the nail paint. The second nail paint is from K Beauty, and K Beauty is of Katrina Kaif. So this is K Beauty nail lacquer, and it's rupees, again it's from Nika, 10 ml has me, and again the pricing is not mentioned over this. So this is a very cool tone, whitish. अगर ये blue दिख रहा है, it's not that blue. Second nail paint I have again from Nika. This is Masaba by Nika. जो कलर आपको अभी स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है वो रियल आँखों से ये कलर नहीं दिख रहा है. It's little bit different. It's like ultraviolet blue, if I'm not wrong. Yes, the color name is this, and again, yes, the shade number is onwards and upwards. Again, the rate is not mentioned. 9 ml product is in it, and again the product is like product name is mentioned, but the price range is not mentioned. I guess all the nail paints that I've bought is between 200 to 300 की range के बीच में. I know it's not that affordable, but I think they're pretty good nail paints and you need to try it. The next shade from the same range is the orange color. Again, the color name is Lit, and it's like it's orange, but it's not that orangey. It's a brick orange, a light brick orange. Then I have again from Nykaa. They're called Gel Shine Liquor. It's 15 ml and it's Salon Pro. It's a very good nail paint. Again, highly recommend. The color is amazing. The rate again, it's not mentioned. Yes, rate is here. It's 325 rupees. Some nail paints are a little bit expensive here, and one of them it is this one. It is called Manhattan Madness, and I really love this color as well. It's like a muddy color. It's like a nude color. And then I have this Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Wear. Again, it's called Instant Dry Nail Paint. बहुत जल्दी सूख जाती है. The swatch is right here, guys. यही मैंने अभी पहन रखी है. And again, just love. It's called Jazzy Jade. And it's very sparkly as well. The rate is not mentioned. Yes, it's rupees 250. So it's rupees 250 for 11.8 ml product. I really love this because it's a high-end product and nail paint. This is also a high-end product and nail paint. These two companies are high-end. Then I have this one and this. What happened is, this is the Color Bar Artifacts one in the shade Shakem Red, and I just love this color, man. So 200 rupees. So 200 की है. इसमें छोटी छोटी 2-3 balls है, metallic balls. And what you need to do is just shake the product and it looks like this. So it's a very good nail paint. Now, very basic nail paint I have this one. This is from Miniso. Miniso is a Japanese company and I have bought it from Amazon. And then I have this cute little thing. It's called Canada Face Instant Remove. It has vitamin E oil, olive oil, aloe vera gel, and 4 fragrances. And this is rupees 250. It's basically you need to dunk your finger inside this porthole and it will immediately clean the things like so. मैं एक करके दिखा देती हूँ आपको. So I'm going to take out the finger from it. So this is how it cleans. It leaves a stain because it's blue color, so definitely it's gonna stain your fingers. The stain doesn't long that much. It is just 4 to 3 hours, and it will get removed. Yeah, and you need to cure a lot of your nails. You need to have a lot of nail oils. Bella, and one is from Color Bar, and you need to have them with you, and they're like. Okay, so let's get started. For So this is the nail paint, and this is the swatch. As you can see right here, I hope you see the color difference. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. So this is the swatch color. And this is the next swatch. It's from the Manhattan Madness. As you can see, the color, it's luxurious. It's a pure nude color. And this is the another color, and this is the swatch. You can see both are quite similar, and this is the swatch. I hope you are liking the swatches, because I would definitely like. This is the another color. As you can see, the swatch is really lovely. Really like the blue vibe going on here, but it's looking on screen is different, as I told you, and this is what it looks like. And this is the another very good blue color. I really love the color. This is the next swatch. This is the orange swatch, and this is the shade. This is the another swatch. This is a very lavender type of color, light from this color, but it's not this color. Really love this color. Not matching with either my lip color as well, but it's a very good teenage type of color. This is again another swatch. You can see I have applied one coat, that's why the color is a little bit lighter in the shade, but as you can see, it has a very sparkle. It's not because it's not dried yet, but because it has a little bit of sparkling, that's why it's has that tingling thing going on. It's not because it is wet, so it's like a tongue twister for me right now, but I hope you can understand what I'm trying to tell you. And this is this color. एक और जो कलर मैं आप लोगों को दिखा रही थी, which is this one. So what I generally do, क्योंकि अगर मैं इसको अकेले लगाऊंगी, it will not look what it is on, I guess, on the screen, and it is not that good. So what I does is I take the color like this. It has very sparkly thing, and I apply on a nail paints. Yes, and you will see the magic. Can you see? If you can, it has a blue pink sparkly thing going on. या बस यही देती है. तो मैं किसी भी कलर के ऊपर इसको अप्लाई करना ज़रूर अच्छा समझती हूँ. Again, I'm gonna dip it and I'm gonna clean this stuff like this. स्टेज के पीछे की मेहनत आई होप रंग लाए. एंड यार, मैंने अभी हाल ही में एक वीडियो डाली थी विच इज़ how to apply eyelashes, and it's one of the best topic to talk on, and that's why the video is little bit lengthy, but it has very amazing points. But people aren't watching that video. Part 1 सबको बहुत अच्छा लगा, but part 2 किसी को इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा, क्योंकि part 1 में 36 या 37 व्यूज़ है, और ऑन द पार्ट 2 इट इज़ जस्ट 16 or 15 व्यूज़. आई डोंट नो what gone wrong on part 2, because I make both of the video on the same time, same day, and upload it on different day. And I hope आप लोग देखो उस वीडियो को, क्योंकि उसमें मैंने सिखाया हाउ टू अप्लाई eyelashes, and eyelashes is the one thing that everybody like to apply nowadays. And if you ask me about the brands who serves a great lovely lashes, I can tell you if you ask me in the comment sections. Now this is my haul. I really love my all with what is called nail paints, right? I really love them, and these are my top 10 or 20 picks from the nail paints. I have these nail paints for a very long time, and these nail paints I always pick for them because the colors are really teenage, girly, vibing type and party vibe, and just put some glitters, sparkly glitters, and when you have long nails it just looks like an extensions if when you care your nails. For the care of your nails, what you need to do is buff it around it, apply oil and leave it for 2-3 days, and then again apply oil, and then after 1 or 2 hours you can apply your nail paint and it will look amazing. That is the tips that I need to tell you about nails and nail paints, how to apply them. एक बहुत अच्छा. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon as well, and comment down that what you like in this video and what you didn't. And if you like all of the shade, comment your favorite shade in the comment section below. Bye guys.